home wiring. Red blue switch for all home, black switch 1 TV, कंप्यूटर, लैपटॉप इसमें प्रॉब्लम है. ब्लैक स्विच 2 फ्रिज प्लग and need to be checked. Black switch 3 fridge plug and need to be checked. Black switch 4 gallery plug, small room plug. Black switch 5 small room, gallery, toilet, wash basin. Black switch 6 big room, bathroom, kitchen, motor. This notice we have received regarding electricity from the BSES Rajdhani Power Limited. Safety advisory to consumers. Dear customer, 1. In the wake of recent fire incident, the Delhi Fire Service DFS, Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi, GONCTD, has issued advisory wide reference F6 DFS MS 2019-569 dated 13th September 2019 and reference number F6 DFS MS MIC 2019-7690 dated 20 December 2019 to the DISCOMS uploaded on BRPL website bsesdelhi.com, advising shifting and relocation of the existing electrical meters, meter boards, panels that may cause obstruction in the escape passage of a building. 2. Meter installation and ancillary works undertaken by the DISCOM at the consumer's premises are governed by the provisions of the Electricity Act 2003 and the regulation framed thereunder. The Central Electricity Authority installation and operation of meters regulation 2006, and B. the Delhi Electricity Regulation Commission supply code and performance standards regulation 2017. Moreover, adequate precautions and care is taken to ensure due compliance of the existing laws prevailing at the time of installation. 3. For the ease of reference, some aspects of safety which require due consideration and compliance by consumers are as follows. Carry out periodic testing, inspections and upgradation at interval not exceeding 5 years of the internal wiring in your premises to avoid any short circuit, overloading and leakage of electricity due to load enhancement in your premises. This may be carried out either by an electrical inspector or by an authorized supplier, electrical contractor, as may be directed by the state government. B. Install proper safety equipment like earth leakage circuit breakers, ELCB, earth leakage circuit breakers, ELCB, and residual current circuit breakers are RCCB, residual current circuit breaker RCCB, for preventing any electrical shocks due to earth leakage, and MCBs for preventing overloading and short circuit in your premises wiring. C. Construction of building and house should be done in compliance with the prevailing regulation and uniform building bylaws, ensuring specified distance from the existing high tension, low tension lines or any other electric installations. Care should also be taken to ensure that no water logging takes place near electricity and meter installations. D. Owner of occupiers of multi-storied building should ensure that electrical installation and works inside the building are carried out and maintained in such a manner so as to prevent danger due to shock and fire hazards. E. Avoid packaging, keeping vehicles, gas cylinder, fuel tanks and storage of inflammable materials near electrical installations and prevent any incidents of fire and avoid any obstructions to means of escape. The meters have to be installed on the ground floor in the space having proper installations and adequate illumination with a separate meter room. F. Provide a suitable lockage and waterproof compartment or enclosed with the adequate space for meter installations to house the meter and associated equipment. It should be outside the premises in a manner that it is always and freely accessible to the DISCOM's meters reader at all times. 4. Non-compliance of the provisions of the Electricity Act 2003, the rules and regulations framed thereunder may lead to disconnection of the electricity supply to your premises. Safety of our consumers is our utmost concern. For this, we solicit your assistance and cooperation. In the case you find any BRPL electrical installation in an unsafe conditions or blocking the escape route of your building, you are requested to identify an alternate safe space and inform our local division office about the same. Voltage stabilizer, under and over voltage protection, how to avoid short circuiting, how to avoid short circuit, electrical switch gear, double breakers, miniature circuit breakers, double breakers, miniature circuit breakers, residual circuit breakers, etc. Residual circuit breakers, etc. Electricity fluctuation in home, stabilizer, voltage protect device, electric fluctuation, essential electric components and their functions, essential electronic components and their functions, under and over voltage protection. Voltage, current, this is voltage, this is current. This is set by this button. After clicking this button, by this you can go up and down this by using this, and after that you set. First we need to keep switched, keep pushing this, and when then this setting start, then you can change by switching this. over voltage, under voltage, over current. Adjustable voltage protectors, 60A, adjustable voltage protector. This is also voltage protector, under over voltage, under voltage protector, and this is also voltage protector. Adjustable voltage protector, this is also adjustable voltage protector. These are switches. Different types of wires to avoid short circuiting. There are different types of wires. One, SQM SC, 1.5 SQM SC, 2 SQM SC, 2.5 SQM SC, 4 SQM SC, 6 SQM SC, and 10 SQM SC. We need to select any one of these. Voltage stabilizers price in India. Voltage stabilizers price in India. Latest voltage stabilizer models price. Microtech EML 5090 digital voltage stabilizer 8699, and this is the price. You can check and you can take anyone. The cheapest one is this 1600, this 1400. V-Guard VG400 voltage stabilizer 1449, and another cheapest is this V-Guard VGSD 50 voltage stabilizer 1648. This is also V-Guard mini crystal voltage stabilizer 1699. These are the Superwell products. This is these are the items which we have discussed. This is the home wiring system. The connection of all the wirings are this main switch box, and all the wirings going in all the home. You can see by using this system, it is set in our home also. Quick guide, residential wiring diagram, codes and symbols. This is not readable, so I am not reading here. Wire color code, red indicates the secondary live wire in a 220 volt circuit used in some types of switch leg and in the interconnection between smoke detectors that are hard wired into the power system. Green indicates that grounding of electric circuit. Yellow and blue are also used to carry power but are not for wiring the outside of common plug-in electrical devices. White and gray indicates a natural wire. Black is used for power in all circuits. Fuse box. This is fuse box, and this type of fuse is also installed in our home, and there are different types of fuse. This type of fuse are being used for main connection or electric connection. This fuse covered by this, and these fuse are being used in our electrical products like TV, mobile, laptop, and all computer. So all these are fuse types. These are different fuse types. in all these fuse there is wire in between, and if there is any problems comes, these wire get cut, get damaged, and electricity get disconnected, so that big damage can be prevented. This is also fuse. This is fuse. This fuse is like this. Main connection. This is our main connection. This is meter. This is main connection. This is meter. Okay, and from here it has gone wiring, and wiring has come this in this box, and from this box through these pipes it has come to our home. In this we have not installed, there are some electric stabilizer are needed here, but we have not installed. We need to install here electric stabilizer. Through this it has power has come to our home. See, they have used this electric stabilizer, but we don't have used. We need to buy this and install here. We need to install this here. This is the complete picture. This is 46 number box, and it has come to our home. This these are the outside image. This is down image, down out of our door, and this is up out of our door. This is now big room. In big room there is one fan, one tube, two bulb. This is a main switchboard. There are one main plug, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plug, and description of which plug is connected with which things are given. And this is the first plug. This is the fan switch, need to be repaired. This plug is used for TV, laptop, computer and all, and this is used for bulb and tube light, and this is near the bed. This is not being used. Bathroom bulb, one bulb is there, and this is a connection for installation heavy items like geyser and all, geyser, heater and all, for warming up water. And this in this one connection is for bathroom, one for kitchen. This is for bathroom. This is kitchen. This is for bathroom, and this is for kitchen. Kitchen, one water motor, 2 exhaust fan, 3 water filter, 4 fridge, 5 bulb. For kitchen, 1 water motor, 2 exhaust fan, 3 water filter, 4 fridge, 5 bulb. There is one item. 1 water meter is there, 1 exhaust fan is there, 1 water filter is there, 1 fridge is there, and only 1 bulb is there. This connection are being used for water filter and water motor and exhaust fan also, and this plug for fridge, and this button again this is for kitchen, and a small room. In a small room there is one tube light and one bulb. This switch is under the tube, and this switch on the wall of the tube wall. This is fan. This is for fan, and this is for tube light and light. This is for light, and this is for tube light, and this is need to be know what is the use of this. Now gallery, one bulb is there, one switch is there, and this switchboard is installed outside of toilet, but one of these switch are for this is for gallery. This switch is for gallery. Courtyard, this is open space, dining space, multi-purpose space. Two bulbs are there. This is space is for sort of courtyard or open sort or dining space or multi-purpose space. People can sit or play. Children can play. Two bulbs are there. So this is the main switch. One of the this switch are for gallery, and one of this switch also for gallery. And in toilet there is one bulb only, and these switch, one switch is for toilet. So red blue for all home, red blue switch for all home. First switch for TV, computer, laptop. There is problem in this. We need to repair this. Switch to fridge plug. Switch 3 fridge plug. Switch 4 gallery plug, small room plug. Switch 5 small room, gallery, toilet, washroom. Switch 6 big room, bathroom, kitchen, motor. Essential electronic components and their functions. This video was about essential electronic components and their functions. Now essential electronic components and their functions we will read now. This is the picture of adjustable voltage protector 16A. This we need to install adjustable voltage protector 60A, adjustable voltage protector 60A voltage current. This is for voltage, this is for current. Over voltage, under voltage, over current, under and over voltage protection, under and over voltage protection. Now we will go to websites. 14 essential electronic components and their functions. 14 essential components and their functions. The world of electronic components can be summarized with a short list of items. Here are more details on these essential parts of modern electronics. What are the electronic components? The following components are among the most common found in electronic devices. Microcontroller. microcontroller, transformer, battery, fuse, relays, switches, motors, circuit breakers. What are the electronic components used for? What are electronic components used for? Microcomputers are small computers used to control a multitude of devices such as power tools, remote control, medical equipment, and office machines. Batteries convert chemical energy to electrical energy. The two different cells of battery are anode plus and cathode minus. Fuse help preserve components from overloading with excessive current. A fuse consists of connections, body, support, contacts, and metal fuse materials such as zinc or copper. As a protection device, a circuit breaker can be controlled with a remote switch. It is designed to protect the circuit from overloading or a short circuit. Switches interrupt current. The four types of switches are single pole, single throw (SPST), single pole double throw (SPDT), double pole single throw (DPST), and double pole double throw (DPDT). Relays are electromechanical switches that shut powers on or off. A relay includes an electromagnet, an armature, a series of electrical contacts, and a sparing. Motors convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Key components include a rotor, stator, bearing, conduit box, enclosure, and eye bolt. From watches to home entertainment equipment to vehicles, motors can power a wide array of devices. What are active and passive components in electronics? Active components include transistor, while passive components include transformer, inductor, resistors, capacitors. Transformers are commonly used to step up or step down power. Resistors restricts current flow. It is used in thermistors, and potentiometers. Small to a low capacity battery. A capacitor allows delays to occur in circuits. Includes inductors are used to control frequencies. When building electric circuits, you will work with a number of basic electronic components including resistors, capacitors, diodes, transistors, inductors, and integrated circuits. Below is a brief overview of the components and their functions. 1. Resistors. A resistor is one of the components you will come across in an integrated circuits. Like the name suggested, the device resists the flow of current. Resistors are graded based on their power rating, amount of power they can handle without exploding, and resisting values. Capacity to resist current. The measurement is done in a unit known as ohms. The electronic symbols of unit is O. 2. Capacitors. These components can store electric charge temporarily. The components come in different varieties, with the most common one being electric and ceramic disc. The capacity of a component is usually measured in microfarads. 3. Diodes. Diodes allow electric current to follow in a single direction only. Each diode has two terminals known as the anode and a cathode. When the anode is charged with positive voltage and the cathode with a negative one, electric current can follow. Revising this voltage will prevent the current from following. 4. Transistors. These components are easy to identify through their 3 terminals. For the components to work, voltage has to be applied to one of them. The base terminal. The base can be control current flow in the 2 and other terminal, the emitters and collectors. 5. Inductors. These are passive components that store energy in form of a magnetic field. And inductors simply consist of a coil of wire wood around some kind of core. The core could be a magnet or air. When current passes through the inductor, a magnetic field is created around it. The magnetic field is stronger in a magnet is used as core. Related post, inductors and transformers, similarities and differences. 6. Integrated circuits. In integrated circuits refers to a special device that has all the components required in an electronic circuits. The components has diodes, transistors and other devices, all of which are etched on a tiny piece of silicon. The components are used in many electronic devices including watches and computers. Six, integrated circuits. An integrated circuits refer to a special device that has all the components required in electronic circuits. The components has diodes, transistors and other devices, all of which are attached on a tiny piece of silicon. The components are used in many electronic devices including switches and components. 7, microcontrollers. 7, microcontrollers. Microcontrollers are a small computer used to control a multitude of devices such as power tools, remote controls, medical equipment and office machines. 8, transformers. Transformers built with two coils of wires. Transformers are commonly used to step up or step down powers. 9, batteries. Batteries convert chemical energy to electrical energy. Batteries convert chemical energy to electrical energy. The two different cells of a battery are anode plus and cathode minus. 10, fuse. Fuses help preserve components from overloading with excessive current. A fuse consists of a connection body, support, contacts and metal fuse materials such as zinc or copper. 11, relays. 11, relays. These electromechanical switches set power on or off. A relay includes an electromagnet and armature or a series of electrical contacts and a spring. 12, switches interrupt current. The 4 types of switches are single pole, single throw, SPST, single pole double throw, SPDT, double pole single throw, DPST and double pole double throw, DPDT. 13, motors convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. These components include a rotor, stator, bearing, conduit box, enclosure and eye bolt. 14, circuit breakers. As a protective device, a circuit breaker can be controlled with a remote switch. It is designed to protect the circuit from overloading or a short circuit. Electronic components. Circuits and inductors, diodes and transistors, electronic components and functions, electronic parts, resistors and capacitors, resistors and capacitors. Allied components, international, Allied components international. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now you know you need to identify a specific problem if you face in your any electrical problem. So you need to identify where is your problem, in which plug, in which room, in which connection, and then you can direct your electrician to replace or change or install that particular article or device only, so that you can save your money. Otherwise electrician will come to your home and will tell to replace so many things, and it will be very costly for you to repair or install or any other services. Thank you very much for watching this video.